So today we consider another new formula in case of inverse Laplace transform, division by s or multiplication by 1 by s. So this is our formula L inverse fs by s. If fs dividing by s, then answer is 0 to t L inverse fs dt, or we can write 0 to t ft dt. Directly by head this fs by s, answer is 0 to t ft dt. So this will be our answer. This is a formula. So you have to by head this formula. Now we want to solve some problems. Example, find the inverse Laplace transform of this. So solution, first we consider number 1. In number 1 we consider 1 by s plus a, this one. First suppose this s is absent. This s is absent. Now L inverse 1 by s plus a. We consider this. Suppose this one absent, we consider this one. This value is e to the power minus at. We know this formula, e to the power minus at. Now we dividing 1 by s. Therefore L inverse 1 by s plus a. So we divide 1 by s or multiplying by s. So dividing by s or multiplying by 1 by s. So multiplying 1 by s, then this result will be, main formula is, if we divide fs by s, then answer will be 0 to t ft. So 1 by s this, then integration 0 to t ft dt. So this is our ft dt. And you know direct formula, e to the power minus at by minus a and 0 to t. Minus a taking outside, e to the power minus at we get 0 to t. Minus a remains same, e to the power putting t equal to t and putting t equal to 0. So minus 1 by a, e to the power minus at, e to the power 0, and 1 by a, e to the power minus at, something to the power 0 is 1, and if we multiply by minus sign, then 1 by a, this minus will be plus, this plus will be minus, 1 minus e to the power minus at, and this is our answer. So this problem, next we consider second one. Next we consider number 2. L inverse number 2. First we consider this number 2 is 1 by s square plus 1. Suppose this s is absent, we consider L inverse 1 by s square plus 1. We know this formula, L inverse a by s square plus a square. This is sin at. So a by s square plus a square sin at. Here a means 1. This 1 means 1 square, you can write 1 a by s square plus a square. This is sin at. A means only t we write. So by taking inverse Laplace we get this formula. By our formula, if fs dividing by s, then answer is 0 to t ft dt. So we divide this one by s. Therefore now L inverse 1 by s square plus a square, this equal to integration 0 to t sin t dt. Just multiplying by this. So L inverse 1 by s square plus 1, this integration sin x means minus cos x. So this is minus cos t 0 to t. And putting the upper limit is t cos t, and lower limit is 0 cos 0. 1 minus cos t, cos 0 is 1, this is 1 multiplying a minus sign, 1 minus cos t, and this is a very nice answer. So I think this one clear, and these are very easy, but without practice these are very difficult. So in Laplace transform there are different types of formula. Sometimes you will face some problems, which formula we shall use here or which one we use here. So practice is the main medicine. Without practice mathematics is very difficult. So taking practice, ultimately you will be a good student and you will get the good marks. Thanks.